to support their favorite teams, to support their beloved teams without any interruptions, without any violence.
"77 minutes by our clock, and now we're getting to see how it will pan out in the last 13 or so minutes of regulation time. Tafa with a long ball forward. Balakazi gets to connect well. And it's a penalty for Simba.
It was inside box. It was inside the box, Spencer. You see, these seasoned players, Spencer, are very clever.
Look at that situation once again. We are privileged to be able to watch it over and over again.
You see on your screens there, the Highlanders players complaining to the referee that probably it was outside the box. But well, Sisu Kwezere is stuck to his guns that it should be
Look
a
at that
penalty.
situation once again. Maybe look at it more slowly. That will be the best way to go. Maybe just a little bit slowly. Look at that. Peter Mudua, very, very reckless in his challenge on Balakazi. Hitting Balakazi's knee.
You see, Spencer, the Highlanders players walking out of the pitch.